Prepare the foundation of the bed as of unoccupied bed. Place the rubber sheet with towel or draw sheet for patient heads to protect the bottom sheet. Place top cover on the bed as for closed bed but the tuck nor meter the corner. Place the blanket on the top sheet if needed. Fold the top sheet with blanket if used from top, making a cuff about 6 inches from the top of the bed. Do the same with the lower part of the sheet with cuff even the edge of the mattress. Fold the top cover to the side or foot of the bed. Place the pillows either on the chair near the bed in an upright position at the head of the bed. Prepare the unit of the arrival of the patient and remove necessary articles.